movies, family, friends, hang out in pubs, like no, nothing. So you need to enjoy the Monday, you know. Juve sun, very good. So what the best thing you have done experience on then weekends? India Pakistan match. That is Navaratri celebration is going on. Yeah. Let me share my screen and please confirm that is screen is visible. Workshop class. Lol. Workshop is supposed to conduct on Saturday, but one of my relative has expired. Then I went to village and again, that's why the power also not there in the villages. You know, right? How the villages will be there. That is yesterday workshop is that is went very well. How many are attended? You attended? Understood the story. That is. Do you feel like machine learning is easy now with that? That is. You understood, right? The story. So I always feel like that if I want to say something, suppose you are not understand yesterday class, if you are coming to my class today, definitely you will understand something. 60% you will understand. So that way I will provide the training. So you no need to worry if you miss the class also. That is my motivation, motto. Okay. Because when you go to the any class, that consecutive classes that, the link up classes, I will not prolong that link up. So many classes. So one or two class only I will provide the link up. And almost in the class itself only I will close that specific topic. So it will go to the 1 hour day, 1 or 2 less like that. But the workshop went very well. Yeah. So many people are come. So many people are responded also. Generally in the workshop, what happened? They will just listen. They will not talk. If you follow other workshops. But yesterday, the workshop students also responded when I asked the queries. The very good way. That is. Yeah, very good workshop. That is. So let's see. First of all, enroll as soon as possible, ma. Enroll as soon as possible. If you delay your enrolls, right? Now the for online, the link is same as of now. Online link is same, but they can close at any time. They can close at any time the link. And before think few instructions. Whoever paid the fee, you need to provide the Google Classroom access. Okay, they will create. They will create. They will create a Google Classroom. Google Classroom. Google Classroom. That is, they will create a Google Classroom like this. So what you are seeing is called Google Classroom. This is 7:30 p.m. batch, and this is 7:15 p.m. batch. This is ML Ops. Okay, this is a different thing. 8 p.m. batch, and this is the 9 o'clock batch. It's already over. That is okay. 5th May. Now they will create one more thing on the 9 o'clock batch for you. Okay. So suppose if you see the 7:30 p.m. batch, here some people are there. Approximately how many people are there? 76 people are there. But they are accessed. But so many people are not accessed. See, this girl is Archana Naik is not accessed till now. They send an invitation, but they are not able to see. They check in their emails. They'll send the invitations to you. Now, only thing is you need to check the invitation. Okay. For that, you need to provide the proper email ID. Proper email ID. That is the first thing. So that's why she is invitation already invited, but she is not accepted. Like that, some people are there. See, here is some Monica Reddy is there, and some more people are there like that. And Singhvir Singh is there, Snehal is there, like that. 4 people are there, right? As of now, 5th guy is there, Suresh is there. So these people are, they are not invited. There are two things: either they are not checking their emails, or second thing, they might provided the wrong email ID. Okay, you need to provide whatever you provide the email ID, they will send the link to that in the email ID only. So first thing is first, they will create the Google Classroom today, and then you need to accept the invitation. So that what happen, you will get all the you will get the all the classwork. You can able to access that the classworks. So now Python is going for them. So I have given Python basics classes and textbooks and assignments. So everything you are going to access here, and all the announcement will happen here only. Here the announcement will happen. If you have any issues, they're asking how to join the class. Like, hello, madam, can you please share in the meeting invite? So all the announcement you can go here. So Google Classroom is very, 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 very important. Google Classroom is. So everyone able to access this. That is the first thing. That is the first thing. And I'm providing the admin name. You already know that. This is for online admin name. Please note down those who are online people. So admin, Rajeshwari madam. Rajeshwari madam. This is very, very important for online people. Anyhow, offline people, you'll come to here, you'll talk to me, and Rajeshwari is available. You people don't have any issues. But those who are online people, you have some issues will be there. Please note down. And the payment is done. Payment is done. Whenever payment is done, share the receipt or whatever it is to Rajeshwari madam WhatsApp group, and share your details, email ID and phone number, and she will take care of rest of things. This is for especially online people. How? Okay. Can you please confirm the chat? And Rajeshwari madam will share that invite also. Whenever the link is changed, whenever the link will change also, she will share the invite. Share the new invite. Share the new invite. Okay. So because we have seen some couple of people, they're complaining that we had not received the link because they are not contacted to madam. Okay, that is the thing. So you should be very, very careful. Whenever the payment is done, you need to talk with Rajeshwari madam. And she is a like family. She has a family after in the evening, right? They will not respond in the evening generally. So before 7 o'clock only, you need to talk with madam if anyone want to talk. Rajesh sir will be available till 9 o'clock. Don't worry for that. Okay. For offline people. That is the one thing. And second thing is, like demos is happening from past 4 days, right? 4 days. If anyone having backup demos, if anyone have backup demos, because nothing much happened, that is backup demos are happening. You know that general institutions are like this only. First 5-6 days demos they will conduct, and they'll stop the demos and they will take the enrollments, right? So that is happening in the Naresh IT also. If any demos backup you need to happen, give your name to Rajesh sir. Okay. Some people already given the Saturday, the Friday. If any backup demos are happened, how many are new today? How many are new today? So you are new, right? So you want the backup demos you want to happen, then go to talk to Rajesh sir. I will need a backup demo. We'll conduct a one more separate session. We'll conduct a one separate session for that. Those who are. It will create more today. Okay, Ganesh. It will create today. And they will inform. Don't worry about that. Yeah, how many are new today in the online? Can you please raise your hands? Online people new. So 1, Sirish and Shubham, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. Yeah, approximately 10, 11 member people are new. Okay. We'll conduct a backup session. Okay. We'll conduct a backup session. Please talk to madam once. We'll conduct a one backup session. And you are, those are new, here also 10 members are there, right? Approximately. Talk to Rajesh sir. We'll conduct a one backup session. So after this class is over, tomorrow might be. That is clear. So we are good. So let's see some couple of questions. How much you remember that is. The first question is, what is data science? Tell me. Speak loudly. What is data science? Tell me, what is data science? Say loudly. You know, then talk it. Talk. Understand? Understand the past data and draw the patterns. Draw the patterns. Draw the patterns and predict for future. Predict for future. Very good. That you are good. What is data science? What are the things you are going to learn in the data science? Can I say? Can you anyone explain about that? The main important topics, main important things. So that what happen? Tell me the life cycle first. Tell me the life cycle. Tell me what is the life cycle? Understand the business problem. Business problem, that is the number one. And then data acquisition, that is called data, gather the data. Gather the data. And third one is data pre-processing. Data pre-processing. And fourth one is analyze the data. What is the fancy name for that? Tell me. EDA. Fancy name. Okay. EDA. Exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis. EDA. Exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis. And E. Tell me model building. Model building. And F. Model evaluation. Evaluation. Testing. Evaluation. And then model deployment. Model deployment. Very good. So you understood that. You understood this. Very good. That is, I need more answers in the chat. Okay. Don't feel like a burden to say some answers. That enjoy the class. Enjoy the class. That is the motivation. So there are two motivations, ma. What is your motivation? Tell me. Come to the class regularly, show some hunger, learn and practice and get the job. That is in IT industry, in the data science. That is your motivation. What is my motivation? Come to the class and explain very, very beautiful techniques. Okay, yesterday we have shown the streamlit operations, right? Like Flask operations, ML ops operations, cloud, whatever other train will not touch, that I want to show to my students. That is the IT industry. That is my motivation. How can I get my motivation 100%? Because of you only, right? If you show the hunger, then I will come with so many concepts. If you not show the hunger, then what will you see? It's a very boring batch. They're not listening properly. They're not studying properly. Why should I teach them like that? That demotivation should not come. It is a mutual combination. It is a your 715 batch students are very, very amazing students, ma. Out of 90 students, 50 students are every time they will show so much hunger. I want to know this. I want to do this. Whatever the topic I am giving, they will definitely do. 50% people means not a joke. That is out of 90, 96. So that's why I want to teach you to their more concepts. So I'm preparing 30 AI projects for them. 30 AI projects, and they will do research on that. And I'm spending with the time to them. Like before you come also, they are talking with me, right? I skip my tiffin also. That is in the between. Actually, I the 15 minutes gap, I need to go up and I need to eat tiffin. I'm skipping that also. Okay. Though that is the motivation. They are the mutual motivation that is coming. That is. Yeah. So because of this, now why this is very, very important? Tell me the life cycle. Because this is the life cycle you will do in the IT industry. But my motivation is you will know what are the subjects you will learn. What are the subjects you will learn? So what are the subjects you will learn? Tell me now. First one is Python you will learn. Step by step will come. Okay. So first step is Python. Gather the data. How the gather you will data? SQL. How the gather will data? SQL. How the data processing will happen? Through SQL will happen. Through Python also will happen. Like that, step by step. And what are the concept will require? So first concept, gather the data. What will come? SQL. SQL will come. Come. Yes. Yes. SQL will come. And no chairs. Take from there. Come. You can sit here, ma. You want. Pull the chair this side. You might not see the board. Okay, those who are lost. Come to this row. Come to this first row. If the screen is visible, it is okay. Then otherwise you come to this first row, ma. Otherwise come to first row. So those who are new after this class, you stay. You don't go away. After the class, stay here only. We'll see what we have done last few days. Okay, those who are new, especially. Yeah. So gather the data is required what? SQL. Gather the data is required what? SQL. So what we will learn is SQL we will learn. And next, what is we need to do? What is the second step? Data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is SQL will do, and as well as who will do? Python programming language do. So what you will learn in the class? Python also you will learn. What you will learn? Python. Next, what you need to do? EDA, analysis. So analysis means what kind of analysis you will do generally? How the two variables are important to each other. Okay. Any missing values are there. Data will, some missing values will be there, right? Any missing values will be there. And we'll learn the Ambani topic also, right? Ambani will come and he will pull the data. That is his outlier. So that is how to deal the outliers. That is also will. That all is nothing but a EDA, exploratory data analysis. You want to analysis your data. In order to analysis your data, there are two parts will be available. One is theoretical knowledge and another one is practical knowledge. Theory, whatever you learn theoretically, and that you will implement practically. So theoretical knowledge will give by whom? Statistics. Who will provide ma? Statistics. Statistics will provide. And then practical knowledge again you will do by using Python, as well as one more guy is there, Power BI. Who is that guy? Power BI. So this SQL, Python, Power BI are the tools. What is this called? Tools. I already given the difference between tools and technologies, right? It is called tools. That means tools might be changed every year. So Python is changed for next year. SQL is very famous. It's not changing actually. So Power BI might be changed. Power BI might be changed. Power BI is nothing but a visualization. It is a complete a visualization that you can do by using Python also. That you can do by using Python also. But separate jobs are there for Power BI also. Separate jobs are there. So now next, see here. Now what are the next thing is there? Model building. So till you learn these things, Python, SQL, Power BI and statistics. If you learn statistics, half of the story will over, ma. Okay, half of the story will over. What are the story? You are eligible to apply for data analyst jobs. Okay, data analyst, business analyst, Python developer or Power BI developer. That is half of the story is done. And what is the second story where we start is nothing but model building. What is the next step is called? Model building. So what is the model building types? Tell me. Machine learning, deep learning, and NLP. It's very, very famous technique and you can enjoy this. Machine learning, and deep learning, and NLP, natural language process. So when you want to apply deep learning applications, tell me. Only images, only images. Face detection, object detection. A car is moving, car will identify all the objects. That is called object detection. And that all the kind of images, which algorithms will apply? Deep learning algorithms. Natural language processing. That is nothing but text algorithms. All the text, review analysis, image captioning, text summarization, an image is there, in the text is there. You want to extract the text, OCR techniques, all the kind of thing is called NLP. And what is the machine learning algorithms? All the data related, stock market prediction, weather forecast, or you want to find the loan defaulter or not. All this kind of thing using called what? Machine learning. So these are the very, very important. So outside they will say, what they will say outside? Data science is different, machine learning is different, AI is different. Don't believe them. Okay, everything is same. If you want to become a data scientist in IT industry, you need to learn machine learning, you need to learn deep learning, you need to learn natural language processing. 3 you need to learn. Okay, outside what they will do? They will say that data science is 15,000 rupees, machine learning is 25,000 rupees, AI is 50,000 rupees. That people are cashing your mind. People will cash your mind. So don't believe the outside. And you'll also confuse. If you open YouTube, right? They will say AI and you'll confuse. Okay, AI is nothing but deep learning and natural language processing applications are nothing but AI only. Siri is there here. Is a bot. So it is it will listen my voice, right? Voice is nothing but what? Text. Text means which process? That's it. Text means which process. Now Face ID is working. Which process that is? Deep learning. That's it. So like that. Now Amazon reviews will be available on iPhone. That is now you can do the review analysis also. That is also text. That is also NLP. So don't believe that outside noise. So that is the next. And second thing is what sixth one is, you develop the model and I want to test your model, right? Where is a valid model or not valid model? You have written an exam. So you'll pass or fail, I need to decide, right? Same way you develop your model. Then we need to check whether it is a good model or bad model. That Rajinikanth's famous movie is there, no? That is Robo 1.0. In that he created Robo and it will not, they will test, right? They'll test the Robo. And the Robo is will kill to Rajinikanth only. It will go that. So like the testing will happen. So you need to test the model also. Model evaluation. Model evaluation. And finally, model deployment. Tell me what is meant by deployment? Tell me. What is meant by deployment? Tell me what is meant by deployment? Tell me store, handover. Suppose you are my client. You given a task to me, develop a model. I develop the model. How can I hand over to you? How can I hand over? That is the deployment. I can't take like this. It's a model. I can't give like this, right? Because we can't see that is a black box. So that is the deployment we need to do. So that client can use the model. So that is the entire story we will learn. So that is the life cycle. So we are good. And next, the thing is called types of machine learning algorithms. Types of machine learning. Those who are new, just follow the things. Okay, I will take after the session what we have done. Just follow the things, what your friends are saying, the answers, how they are saying. Okay, types of machine learning. Tell me, what are the types? Supervised learning. Supervised learning. Very good. And second one is what? Unsupervised learning. And third one is what? Reinforcement. Where are the answers in the chat? Reinforcement learning. Don't sleep, ma. Today Monday. Wake up. We need to survey next 1 week. Okay. Wake up. Wake up. I need answers in the chat. Now, what is supervised learning? Tell me. Data has. Tell me. Data has both input column and output column. Tell me, you have a new friends are there today class, right? Tell me one of the volunteer explain what is input and what is output column. Who will come? Who will explain? Tell me. Who is that? Volunteer. Anyone can tell, no? I take one example. This is the input, sir. This is the output, sir. This is the supervised learning, sir. Tell me. Anyone? Right. You only tried. You know, right? What is the input column? What is the output column? Just explain. I will cover you. Okay, no problem. Okay, now I will show the one example. You explain me. Okay. Now we'll take, your friend should understand. I will ask him, this guy, he understand or not. Okay. Let's see. I will unmute you, those who are in the online now. You need to explain that. Let's see visa data set. Your friend should understand your explanation. Now tell me. Correct, Ashwin. Tell me. In case ID is input. Content also input. Education also. Input. Input. Okay. Case state is only output. So what your explanation on this while seeing understanding? So education of employee, has job experience, requires job training, number of employees, year of establishment, and region of employment. Storytelling is very, very important. I will teach the storytelling also, don't worry. And full-time position and case status. Suppose your friend is going to a visa center and there is application form is there. Okay. And you are asking to your fill this application form, this all the things, right? So that's why you are saying this all are called what? Inputs. You are writing, right? Your writing means what? You are providing the input. Suppose she is a manager, visa manager. Based on by seeing this input manually, now she want to say what is your status now, correct? Now she is a manager. That means she will provide the, what she will provide? Output. She will provide the output manually. Now what is the data science application? You know, you need to reduce the manual intervention. A model should say automatically. A model should say automatically. She will take 1 week time, right? She want to go through all the reviews and everything. She will take 1 minute time. But if you develop the model, it will give in 1 second, it will give the answer. 1 second, it will give the answer. That means you have input or input columns are there here. And you have a output columns are there. Both are available. If you have input column is there, if you have a output column is there, what is the type of learning is called? Supervised learning. Say loudly, what is the output is called? Supervised learning. But this output is in which data type? Which data type? It is the English. Output is which type? English. English means, what is the fancy name? Categorical data. What is the fancy name? Categorical data. Now one more data set I will show you. Wine quality. Now tell me, what is the output here? Quality. What is the output here? Quality. What is the type here? Numerical data. So in the supervised learning also 2 types is available. One is, what is that? Categorical type. Another one is, so categorical type of algorithm, what we are calling? Classification. And numerical type of what we are calling? Regression. That's all. Classification algorithms are will be there. Regression. You don't need to by heart also. What is the meaning of classification in English? Normal English. I want to classify the people. So this guy is now in the case status approved or denied. I'm classifying or not. Your zone of the COVID, either red zone or yellow zone or green zone. I'm called classifying or not. I want to opt a loan. In future, I'm a defaulter or not defaulter. It is a classifying or not. So that's why all the categories, it is only classification algorithms. You're just simply what you're doing, classifying. Is Vijay Mallya is a loan defaulter or not? He's a defaulter. You're classifying that. Is a Sachin Tendulkar is a legend or not? The legend. You're classifying that. Legend, not legend. You can't say like that one other guy is coming as a, suppose one more guy is Amit Mishra. Is there is Amit Mishra is a legend? No, it is not a legend. He's a good cricket player, but not become a legend like that. So you are just classifying the people. So for that also, we are learning some algorithms. That is, what is the ML engineer? I will tell that, Sailesh. What is the ML engineer? That is equal case status. Supervised learning. Now in that one, classification algorithms will be available. Classification, and in that what happen? Regression will be available. Regression. How many algorithms we will learn under the classification? Approximately 7. Very good. How many regression algorithms will take? Approximately 3. So how many algorithms? 10. How many algorithms will learn? 10. So algorithms also I will tell what are the different algorithms will be there. Suppose what happened tomorrow, this guy is there. He has very pro in the data science. He implemented some PhD research. He created one algorithm that is accepted by total world. Then one more algorithm will be added here like that. 7 plus 1. Like that 8 algorithms will come. That is. You can come here, ma. Bro. You can sit here. Like this. You can take one chair. We'll shift to new class tomorrow. Okay, don't worry. We'll shift to new class. Wait on the people. No, don't worry. So next one more type is called what? Unsupervised learning algorithm. Unsupervised learning. So now tell me, supervised learning means input data is there, output data is there. Unsupervised learning means common sense. Only that's it. Only input will be available. No output will be available. Only input. That means only have a data will be available. Only have a data. Only input. Only input will be available. What is the best example? Best example. Tell me, name it. The best example. Best example. Suppose you are a DMart owner. You are a DMart owner. What the data you have? Tell me. What kind of data you have in your laptop? In your laptop only the person's transaction details will be available. Correct? They will take the name. They will take the number. And they will take the bill amount. Correct? And they will have the transaction ID also. Transaction ID. My brother is there. My brother is as a diagnostic center and he wants to call the people and invite that to make the diagnostics. And they are selling 10,000 rupees for 1 lakh numbers. 1 lakh mobile numbers for 10,000 rupees. Now see, they are selling the data. How the data is selling? How the data is coming? Because tomorrow wajah se you are in the supermarket, you are saying that give the number means you are giving the number. Tell the name means you are telling the number. And then you are getting all the calls. Okay. And they are selling your data. So data privacy is very, very important nowadays. Because of the data science only, data privacy term is came. Okay. They are utilizing your data, your name, they are utilizing your Aadhaar card, they will utilize your PAN card, they will utilize. There's so many scams are going. Be careful about the data related thing. Never ever give your mobile number. Don't give your mobile number. Okay. Never give your mobile number. If they ask your mobile number, give some dummy mobile number, dummy name. He's not your friend, right? He's some other third person. We don't know at all. Don't give your mobile numbers. Okay. Be careful about that. So name will be available. So name is suppose Ramesh will be available and number is suppose is equal some number will be there and bill amount is suppose 3,000 rupees is there and the transaction is equal to suppose R123 is there like that. And next Suresh is there and he has a mobile number is there and he's spending only 500 rupees and 500 rupees and he's showing that SUS234 is there. Now what kind of approach you will do here? Tell me. By seeing these two transactions, what is coming your mind? As a business guy, how the business guy will think? You have a business is there, how you will think? Ramesh is spend a more, that is the first trigger you will get. So you want to provide some biscuit packet offer to Ramesh. Okay. So next time you will come again to your supermarket. Like that is coming or not? That means immediately you are dividing into Ramesh into Suresh into two categories. Two categories you are doing. There no actually any output column is there. Only you have a information is available. You have only information is available. Immediately you divided Ramesh into rich candidate and Suresh into poor candidate. Only for your data. Maybe Ramesh income is so less. Ramesh original income is, you can't ask the income, but let's secretly, Ramesh income is only 10K, but Suresh income is 1 lakh. Generally, Suresh is so rich, but he's not spending your market not more than 500 rupees. So Suresh is very poor guy for you. Suresh is very poor guy for you. Ramesh is very rich guy for you. But outside Ramesh is a very normal employee. He's a very normal employee. So now you have only information available. You are dividing the people. What you are doing? Dividing the people, and that fancy term is not cluster the people. What is the fancy term? Cluster the people and grouping the people. Grouping the people and segment the people. These all are what? Anonyms and synonyms only. Common English names. Segmentation, clustering, grouping. So one is you have a output will be there, and one is you don't have output will be there. When you don't have output, what are the algorithms called? Cluster algorithms. What are the algorithms will be there? Cluster algorithms. You will say segmentation algorithm also. Segmentation algorithm. Both are same. Both are same. Both are same. And one more thing is called grouping algorithms also will be there. Grouping algorithms. All are same. Cluster means, grouping means all are the same. And next one is, finally, what is the third one is called? Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning. So what is the reinforcement learning generally called? AI techniques, ma. Generally what we can call? AI techniques. That means Siri, Alexa, these all are what? Bots, right? It will respond based on the your voice. So based on the environmental conditions, the agent will respond. Agent will respond. Environmental means not weather forecast. Okay. Environmental means at your situation. Alexa, play party song. That ad is very famous, right? That is in the cricket matches, it will come regularly. So that is when you say party song means it play the party song. That means they are tuning that, they are learning, that is. So that is called reinforcement learning. Your deep learning and NLP will comes. NLP will comes. So this is the overall story. Overall story, I will just show here. I will just show here. And the next thing is, yes, environmental conditions, agent will react. So machine learning divided to supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Supervised means again what is there? Classification algorithms will be there, and regression algorithms will be there. In the supervised, classification means you already know. Input data will be there, output data will be there. And regression means same, input data will be there, output will be there. But here output is which type? Numerical type. That is the one thing. And second thing is what? Cluster algorithms will there. Cluster means what? Just now we have seen DMART thing. DMART thing. So no output, and here we learn some 3-4 algorithms. And reinforcement learning means state and reward action. That is called based on the environmental conditions, agent will react. So data science and AI is a very, very beautiful technology, ma. So it is now, that is called industry 4.0. What is that industry 4.0? Have you know about industry 4.0? So in the human evaluation, every some 20 years, 50 years, a torch bearer will be there. You know torch bearer meaning? That is in the Junior NTR movies, torch bearer, that is. So what is the first torch bearer means? Inventing the steam engines. Inventing the steam engine. That is a torch bearer. It is reduced so much manual effort. Like inventing the computers. That is also one torch bearer. So every some of the years, human is evaluating, inventing something. So now we are industry 4.0. That is now this is a digital era. It is a complete a what? Digital era. 10 years back, there is ATM cards, no ATM centers. That is like that is there. Right now, what you are using? Phone pay. If you forget about purse is also enough, but don't forget your phone. Everything is there in the phone, right? Ola is there, Rapido is there, everything is there. That is the digital technology. So when is the digital technology, there are three persons are coming to main picture. Who are the three persons? One is called data engineers. Data engineers. Second one is data scientist. Data scientist. And third one is machine learning engineer, ML engineer. ML engineer. Engineer means the term will say engineering work. Even if you go outside a puncture repair shop also, what will be there? Engineering shop will be there. He is not an engineer, okay? It's the engineering means what? Engineering means is a all scrum work. Okay, that's why data engineers will will provide the data, provide the data to data scientist. Provide the data to data scientist. The data might be any format, right? Data will be any format. Structured format will be there, unstructured format will be there, encoded format will be there. I am the client. I want to provide the data to you. I will not provide the straightforward data. I will encode it. Raw agents. The encoded will be there, right? They want to decode it. Who will the decode that? Data engineers will decode it. Okay, they will create some pipelines, ETL pipelines, and they will provide the data to the whom? Data scientist. Now here the king will come. What he will do? He is a very, very important person to understand the data, predict the future. That he will do. And next is ML engineer. Again, ML engineer will guy. ML engineer nothing but he is a take care of all deployment things. All deployment things. How to deploy the model to the client. Again, he will also create the pipelines. Okay, because your friend is already created a model. Model is developed already. So these people work together in the industry. So that's why this is called digital era. What we call is called digital era. So data engineers and ML engineers are kind of a nurse type. Okay, what nurse will do when you admit in hospital? Everything she will take care of, right? And only doctor will come, just see and check up that. Who is doctor here? Data scientist is a doctor. All the work nurse will do, but name who will get? Doctor he will get, right? The doctor is very good. Like that he will talk. If you develop the good model only, then client will happy. The client will happy. That's why you are the very, very key person. But nowadays what happened, right? The true thing, the whoever in the digital era, he will do all the things. He is learning all the things nowadays, slowly, slowly. I have done all the projects. I know data engineering. I can take the data engineering classes. I can take the data science classes. I know the ML engineering classes. That I have taken all the classes through Naresh IT. Slowly, slowly what happened? We are doing all the works actually. All the works we are doing. So that is a different thing. After you are going industry, you will know that the scenario. But you understood the difference now? Data engineers will take care of data completely. Data scientist what will do? Develop the models. And ML engineer what will do? Deployment process. But here I will teach the deployment also to you. How to deploy the model. That is also I will teach. And GitHub actions also I am teaching. GitHub. That is generally data engineers will do. And model development. And the deployment. And that is also will teach. ML ops also we will cover. So you understood the story. So now tell me, everyone understood the what is data science, what is the use cases and everything, right? Still any doubts? Can you please confirm the chat? Can you please confirm the chat? Please respond in the chat, otherwise go to Udemy classes. I don't mind that. Okay. Please take care of Udemy classes. 500 rupees. 500 rupees. Machine learning gone over. Okay. Just 500 rupees. You no need to talk to trainer. And no need to ask any doubts. आराम से course complete हो जाएगा. Okay. If you don't want to talk with me, go that only. I don't mind. So next thing is tell me. Yeah. Tell me the Python platforms. How many platforms you will learn in the class? Python platforms. First one is what? Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook. Very good. Anaconda, Jupyter Notebooks. And second one is what? Google Colab. Google Colab. What is the name is called? Again, Jupyter Notebook. These are the platforms to write the Python code. These are the platforms to write the Python code. If you want to write a story, what are the platforms you will use? Text file, Word document, PPT. This is all to write the story. In the same way, to write the code also some platforms will be exist. Correct? And that platform name is what? Anaconda. What is the platform name is called? Anaconda. In that what you will use? Jupyter Notebook. And second one is what? Google Colab. So again, what is the name is called? Jupyter Notebook. What is the extension? .ipynb. IPython Notebook. What is the extension? .ipynb. That is the extension. What is the full form? IPython Notebook. Whatever. Great. That is IPython Notebook. And what is the difference between the Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab? What is Google Colab means? Google offering, right? What is Google Colab means? It is Google offering. Google offering. So you have one GPU free, and one as well as one TPU free. GPU full form. What is the GPU full form? Graphical Processing Unit. What is TPU full form? Tensor Processing Unit. This will speed the process. What your laptop will have? CPU, right? You want to load 1 GB data. How much data is there? 1 GB data. Suppose this Excel sheet is there. Okay, Excel sheet is there. You want to load this using Python. Suppose there are 1 lakh observations are there. How many observations? How many observations? Approximately 25,000 observations are there. Think like that 10 lakh observations are there. Your laptop will not support. So where you will learn that is Google Colab. Where you learn Google Colab. So that is the difference. So this is the platform you will learn. And what are the third platform? VS Code. What is the full form of VS Code? Visual Studio Code. And what is the fourth one? PyCharm. What is the fifth one? Yesterday I have shown the code in Notepad++. Have you observed? Notepad++ only I showed the code. That is. So Visual Studio Code is nothing but what is the type of file? .py. PyCharm .py. And Notepad+. .py. Very good. This used to create the modal deployment, or Flask implementation, API implementation, apps implementation. So which we will learn? We will use these platforms. Every platform has one use case. Every platform has one use case. That's why I want to teach my students to all the platforms. I told the story, right? I joined the new company. They're asking, what is the first question he asked to me? What is Python? What is the second question he asked to me? Do you know Google Colab? If you are in that situation, sir, I don't know Google Colab, means what he will think. Understood the situation. So like that, that's why I want to teach to my students all the things. So that is the thing. Next thing is, and what is the next one, ma? This will be very interesting. Now cloud thing, Azure Databricks. And seventh one is Google Workbench. So when I teach ML ops, right, I will teach this also, Azure Databricks and Google Workbench. So you need to remember the platform names. You need to remember the extensions, because Python is your lifetime friend. Python is your lifetime friend. Every platform you need to remember. Every platform you need to remember. So next, we have seen one variables concept, right? Variables concept in Python. Variables concept in Python. Now tell me, what is the variables concept in Python? What are the bullet points? What are the bullet points? First of all, question, what is variable? What is variable? Tell me. It is value will be vary. That is a normal common sense, right? Variable. Data science needs 75% concept and 25% what? Common sense is required. Common sense is very, very important. Now, if you don't know, you need to learn. Everyone knows that is outside, but inside in the subject, you need to understand the title. Understand the title, relate to your normal English, then 30% will work over. 30% will work. No need to by heart. No need to by heart. So now, I will show here. Suppose number equal to 200 or 100. It will works or fail? Works, right? And NUMB are equal to 300. Works or fail? NUMB will works. Now, 1, 2, 3 number will works or fail? Why? Variable cannot start with. Don't say in interview green light, red light, black light like in the Squid Game, okay? don't talk in the interviews. Sir, it is a green light, so that's why it will not work. It is a red light, it will not work. What you need to say? Tell me. Numbers will start as prefix. So in the first class I teach in the easiest way, green color, red color, black color, but don't say in interviews. He will laugh at you. That is. So numbers, here is the green color is coming. So that's why it will not work. Don't say that. So what will happen? Numbers will not as prefix. Now, number sum 1, 2, 3. It will work, right? It will work. Sum 1, 2, 3. It will work. Now suppose add 1 is equal to 600. Tell me it will work. Tell me it will work. Why will not work? Why will not work? Space is there. So what is the space meaning there? What is the space meaning exactly? So there are only one value, but 2 persons are there. Only one value is there. 2 persons are there. Now it will confuse which I need to go. Where I need to go to add, where I need to go to 1. So that's why it will fail. That's why it will be fail. And that's why what you need to do, if you provide some gap like kind of underscore, it will become a one word. It will become a one word. So it will learn. So you are good. Variables concept, everyone is good. So underscore is equal to 600. Works or fail? Black color, no doubt at all. Black color will works. Underscore will works. Definitely. Very good. Now suppose add percentage symbol equal to. It will be fail because color issue. Tell me what you will say in the answer. Symbols other than underscore, no symbol will works. That is the answer. Don't say color, ma. Don't say it color thing. So you are good, ma. Very good. So you learn very beautifully. All the concepts you remember. I am very happy for you. All the concepts is remember. So let's see if and while else for def int float str all are which color? So green color. All are these are actually what we call keywords. What we call keywords or reserved words. Both are same. Okay, keywords are reserved words. So they are reserving for something, right? If is reserved for some to do some task. Condition. For is reserved for to do some task. Looping. Like that. So these are the, whenever you are seeing the green color means that are nothing but what? Keywords or reserved words. So Python is very easy, ma. It will be very, very flexible. And today I will teach very, very important concept. Look at the board now. Okay. Look at the board. Just look at the board. So every Python, everything, every machine learning algorithms or deep learning algorithms or NLP algorithms will works based on based on packages. Based on packages. And the name packages is also called libraries. One more name is what? Libraries. Libraries. And one more name is called modules. Some people will say that package, some people will say that library, some people will say that module. What is this? All these things. You will get some confusion. Okay. Now today we'll remove that confusion. Today. What is the library? What is the package? What is the module? So let's see that. Suppose Suresh is there. Suppose Suresh is there. Suresh is created a code, and the code name is called addition of two numbers. What is the code ma? Addition of two numbers. He created a code. He felt that that code is not existed in the world. Okay, he felt that that code is not existed in the world. Like telephone is invented by Graham Bell, right? Before the telephone is not there, right? In the same way, understood as the situation, there is a Suresh is a guy. He is invented a addition of two numbers code, and he felt that that code is not existed. So he is a very charity guy. Now he thinks that he wants to hand over that code to total world. Code to total world. He wants to give that code. He developed the addition code. He wants to give the total world. How can he give? How can he give? So if you want to give this your iPhone to your friend gift, how can you give? You will go to the shop. You will get a package. No, package time is coming. Package time is coming now. So he will pack the code. He will pack the code. That is called. What he will do? He will pack the code. See, normal English, we will learn like a story only. He will pack the code. That is nothing but a package. He wants to deliver the package. Now you want to deliver the package to your friend. Your friend is in Delhi. How can you deliver? Courier. Now, what if you want to do courier? Where you will go? Courier shop. Now Suresh went to Anaconda organization. Where to? Anaconda organization. Because Anaconda is the organization. It is offering what? Jupyter notebook. That one we learned just now. So Suresh went to Anaconda organization. I have a code. Now through you, I want to hand over to the total world. Now that code, they packaged. What they will do? They pack it. That code, they will pack it. So now what Anaconda will say? Yeah. Give me 1 minute. That only, ma, please don't go away after the class. Those who want to listen the backup session, okay? We'll conduct the one backup session. So what we are covered. But whatever you are understanding today, definitely you will understand. You don't need to listen the backup also, that is. I told you right already. So now let's see the story. Interesting, sounds interesting, the story. So what Suresh is done? Suresh creates a code. Now he wants to hand over to the total world. He went to Anaconda organization. This is my code. I want to hand over to the total world. So now he make agreement with Anaconda. Whoever install your whoever install your software, my package also should be delivered to them. My package also should be delivered to them. My package also should deliver to them. So whenever you install the Anaconda, so whenever you install Anaconda, package also will come to your laptop. Package also will come to the laptop. Package also will come to the laptop. Come into the laptop, okay? Into the laptop, that is either C drive or D drive, whatever it is, either C drive or D drive. Till now you are good? So you are Suresh. What you want to name your package? What is your package name? Tell me. Assume that you are a Suresh. Tell me, Suresh. Tell me what is your package name? Tell me, say some name, no? Add. Okay, add is your package. What is the package name? Add. If you want to understand the real-time scenarios, you need to be in their shoes, not in your shoes. Okay, you need to think your father situation means you need to think like father. Okay, why my dad is behaving like that? What is that? Why your friend is behaving like that? Don't judge the other person directly, right? You need to think from in front of that. So when you got married, you'll understand that everything. Okay. Then package name is what? Add. Add is where now existed in your laptop. Now you want to write the code. So now the code is there's a one term is called import. What is the English meaning of import? Import and export. Import package name. Simple. See? Import package name. Now what is your package name? So what you need to write? Import add. Is really add is a package is existed or generally that is the example, right? That is the example. So when I run this, now what is that is there? There's no package name of what? Add. There's no package name of add because add is not there generally, right? That's a just example. Now let's see, we'll take one more package name is called random. What the package name will take? Random. That is really existed actually that will take, okay? What the package name is called? Random. So how you want to import that? Import random. That's it. See, it is run. Import random. So random is a package name. It is there in your laptop. Now you want to use that. What is the meaning is there? Random is a package name. It is there. It is there in our laptop. In our laptop, we want to use that. We want to use that. That's why what keyword we use? That's why we use which keyword ma? Import keyword. Import is which color? Green color. Import is which color? All green colors are what? Keywords or reserved words. Now import, normal English meaning. So it is there now. Import means it is come to your situation. That is we are good. Till now we are good. Can you please confirm the chat? I am using shift plus enter. Usha. Shift plus enter at a time. No need to worry, that I will teach. Can you please confirm the chat? Mega is good. Usha is good. What about others? Srishti is good. Abhishek good. Sabita good. Next. What happened? Sumant and Chalapati, Debashis, Gaddam Puni Sai Reddy, Ganesh Kumar. What you are doing? All your people not responding in the chat. How can I know you are understood or not, ma? You need to explain the chat, na? Just one word. If you are very lazy, just enter Y. Okay, I will understood that is yes. If you are that much lazy, just enter Y. No problem. That is just enter Y. Yes, very good. See, Priyanka Kumari is said Y. That is true people. She's saying that I am a lazy sir. Okay. Now import random. Now your Suresh, what you have done? Suresh has what happened? He has one brilliant idea. Why will I create add? Why will I need to do sum function? I want to do subtract function also I will create. I want to do multiplication function also I will create. I will do the division function also I will create. I will make all these four functions in one package. What he had done? All these four functions in one package. What are that? Summation, addition, subtraction, and that. We can big package, they can send laptop, they can charger, they can send everything, right? In the same way. Now he name it one more name. What are the name is called? One different name. And the everything. What is the name is called? Everything. Now when you do the import everything, now all the what are the methods will come? Sum will come, subtract will come, multiplication will come, difference will come. All the four will come. In the same way, in the import also some sub methods will be there in the random. Agree with me? In the random also some sub methods will be there. We don't know that, but we have an idea. in the random also, some methods will be there, how Suresh has created. Understood? Now that we need to understand what are there. For that you use a telephone directory, you know. Telephone directory. What is there in the telephone directory? Phone numbers, names. You have experienced in the childhood that 90s kid knows very well. Okay, telephone directory there in my home. So we'll take that some random number. We will call that number. I still remember my name, that is 229 144 08736. That's the full, my first landline, that is. So then DIR. What is there, ma? DIR random. What is the DIR? Random. DIR of random. It will give what are the sub methods are there. All the sub methods it will provide. All the sub methods will provide. Now don't panic that no one will remember all the sub methods, ma. In India, in the world, no one will remember all the methods. So you also don't try to remember all the methods. Okay. Now what is the we learn first one? We learn what is the meaning of package. Can you please confirm? Everyone understood what is the meaning of package now? What is the meaning of package? We are good, right? Can you speak now? Yes, right? What is the use of package? Every package has some sub methods. Like Suresh has created a package name is called what? Everything. In that what he created? He created addition, subtraction program, multiplication program, like that. Like that in random also we have same many programs are there. In that I am very much interested on the rand int. What I want interested? Rand int. Which method I want to interest now? Rand int. The method name is called what? Rand int. Rand int. Think like that rand int is your friend, ma. Okay. And random is your friend father. You want to go and you want to call your girlfriend or boyfriend. You will call directly while you're going their home. First, who will come? His father will come, right? So first I will talk to your father. Okay. Uncle, I want to meet Anil. So please call Anil. Then what father will do? He will call to Anil, right? So in the same way, if you want to create the rand int, first you want to do, you want to call first father, ma. Random. What is the father name? Random dot. Whom we want to do now? Rand int. This is Anil. Now we want to do rand int. Now you want to do rand int. So first is the import random, and then you want to know how many kids are there for the uncle, and then which one you want. Because you want to play cricket with Anil. Because you want to call the Anil. You called Anil. Now what is the use of this rand int? What is the use of that? What is the use? What is the use of this guy? Use of this guy. He will play cricket well, or he will play badminton well. What is your use case? What is your use case? For that, what you need to do? Take help. What you need to do? Take help. Now tell me, this is a help, ma. Now read this. Take 1 minute pause. Tell me what is this meaning. Tell me. Take 1 minute pause. Tell me. Rand int will take how many arguments, ma? 2 arguments. And what it will return, ma? A random integer between from where to where? A to B. Okay, rand int guy, what he will do? If you provide 1, 100, what he will give? A random number it will give. That's all. That is the English. That is the English. Shall we try now? Let's see. Now let's see here. Random is the father. Dot rand int is the Anil. Now Anil will take how many arguments? 2 arguments. One is 1, 100. If I run this, what Anil will provide? A random integer number. See, 99 he provided. Next, what he will provide? 48 will provide. We don't know, right? That is why it's called what? Random. And it is include what? Both the endpoints. So 1 is given, 1 came answer. So 1 will come, 100 will come. In between, any value will come. And that too only Integer will come, not float. 1.5 will not come. Okay, that's why I say na, I can give only the integer number. That's why I am as a rand int method. My father is what? Random. If you want to call me, first whom you need to call? My father. So my father import random. Okay. And I am the random dot rand int. So I will take two parameters, 1 comma 100, and I will give that 37 is the answer. This I know. That's why I given the 2 lines only the code. But you are the first time user. Correct. So what you need to do? Step 1, import package name. What is step 1? Import package name. Step 2, any package in future. After 1 year, what happened? Your manager will say, hey Omkar, a new package was arrived in the market. Can you explore that? How can you explore? Like this only. Step 1 is what? Import package name. Step 2 is what? dir. I want to explore, right? Because if I want to explore, what should I do? I want to know what are there inside. What are there inside? So dir of package name. Dir of package name. So in that I'm very much interested, suppose one method name. In that I'm very much interested, one method. So now what will do? Package name dot method name help. What I need to do? Help. Now I will understand the English. I will do the experiment. Now I will understand the English. I will do the experiment. I will do experiment. Understand? So this is the 4 steps you need to remember any package. In the future, in the market, a new package will deliver. Now Elon Musk will open AI is there. He will create a new package. He will say that for doing implementation of AI, this package is very good. Then Google is implemented one more package. Microsoft will implement one more package. So you need to explore like this. Now tell me step 1. What is the step 1, ma? Import. Now I will give the package. Now you need to say the steps. Okay. Package name is called random. Package name is what? Random. Tell me the first step, everyone. Import random. Import random. Now Mega is asking, how can I know that rand int is there? Okay. Correct, Mega. Now you tell me. How do we know rand is under random? How can you know? Tell me. dir. What do you need to do? dir of random. It will give so many methods. It will give so many methods. Now you will get the doubt, which method when I will use. That's the doubt you will get, right? So that's why you need to learn data science. That's why you need to learn data science. After 3 months, you will perfect. After 3 months, what happened? You will learn so many packages. You will do the so many implementations. That's why your batch, senior batch people are doing, right? They are developing the end-to-end machine learning model. How they are developing? Because they are trained. They are trained. Like that also, you will also train. So now what is the method you are using now? Help of random dot rand int. Now what you are doing the experiment now? Random dot rand int of 1 comma 100. Now tell me, still anyone having doubts in this? Can you please confirm the chat? Still anyone having doubts? My question was without random package, just by dir of name. No, you need to import first. You need to import first. What is the meaning? Can anyone help me? My question was without knowing the random package, just by dir name. What is this meaning? Can anyone help? What is your understanding of this question? Without knowing or without knowledge? Without I will train you, right? Then you will get knowledge. That is the answer. But if you directly provide the dir of random, right? You will not get until what? Import. Until import. That is the English meaning, right? Import it first. First call it. In that only we only pick that. Yes. I will tell you the different packages. That is not now. Yeah, we can find the package names, man. Don't worry. That is. dir name will give only the dir name will only give the methods. Okay, dir name only will give the methods inside the package. Difference between the dir and package name. Okay, methods inside the package. Here, what is the package name here? Random. What is the method name? Rand int. Like that, it has so many sublinks. Right? It has so many sublinks. So let's see one more package. Now you tell me, you'll understand. Package name is called math. Package name is called math. Tell me first step, Mega. Mega will say. Tell me first step. What is the first step? Import. Tell me import math. Okay, import math. Correct, everyone? Good. Import math. I'm running. So it is run. No issue. Next, you want to know what is there inside. Next, you want to know what is there inside. Tell me what I need to do. dir of math. Now see, so many are coming. So many are coming. Now in that, let's see pi. Pi. I want to know about whom? Pi. Now I want to know about whom? Pi. Now tell me what is pi. How can you know that? Help of, what is the father name? Math. What is the daughter name? Pi. What she will do? She will do so many things, but let's see that. So this is little tricky to understand, right? But it will provide that value. Now just run it. Math dot pi. What is returning? Pi value returning. What is returning? Pi value returning. Understood? Simple. Package is very easy, ma. Package means just pack it and send it to your friend. That's all. Now let's see. We'll do another method. Let's do another method. Tell me another method. Sign is there. See sign. Let's see sign now. Okay. Let's see sign. First step. Again, we'll come to the first step. Okay. I'm doing so repeatedly. Import math. Import math. Now who is there? Math dot sign is there. Math dot who is there? With the name of yes, there are three people are there. But math is a father. He has three people, three daughters with the name of yes. One is sign, and another is signage, another one is square root. I am very much interested on whom? Sign. So just sign it and take a help. Take a help. What is your thought process, ma? What sign will do? What sign will do? It will give the sign values, right? What is sign 30? What is sign 20? Like that. Now see what it is taking. It will take one argument. And what it is written? Sign of x. And measured in what? Let's try it now. Math dot. Very good. Math dot. Tell me sine of 90 degrees. What is the value? 1. That is not in radians, no? Now radians, let's see radians. Radians is what is the value? 0.89. That is the package. That's all. Now see sine you understood, pi you understood. Like that slowly you'll understood each and every package. Understood now about package story? Easy. Tell me what is the first step? Import package name. Now I'm asking, tell me the sign. How can you do? Tell me about sign. Tell me what are the two steps? Import math dot sign bracket 30 degrees. See, you already removed two steps. What are the two steps? Directory you removed and help also you removed. How you removed? Because practice. Because practice. While you are learning new package, we will do all the steps. Once you are practice, automatically you are doing. That's it. Package is meaning of this. Understood now? So for data analysis, we will do the following the packages. Yeah, pip freeze. Ma. Yeah, we need to do import every package at every time. Correct. Okay. So I will take the questions. Don't worry. Okay. Sorry for confusing. I was wondering if we can work backwards from method to directory to package. I didn't get this also, Mega. Can you elaborate this? Let's take the questions for 5 minutes. So you are asking so many questions. What is the first question? Can you elaborate this? You can tell me what I need to type. I will type that. Okay, Mega. Like that we will go. What I need to type? Tell me that. That's the first question. And Nikita asking in single application. In single application, that is the second question. And third question. I think it is system. Either this is the third question. This is the third question. And fourth question. Sabita, same question, Sabita. Yeah, Sabita has 2 times. And Nani Reddy is asking one more thing. Let's finish the mega question first. Mega is asking, for example, I want to find sign value. How do you know it maths package? So that only ma, we will train you. We will train you. If you ask the same question next 3 months, I will resign Naresh IT. Okay. If you after next 3 months also, if you ask the same questions, I will not teach to anyone. Okay, we'll train you. Because you are kids, na. You are generally learning data science today only. How can you know everything today? That is not possible, right? So in Python is everyday practice. If you want to perfect in Python, it will take 2-3 years. Okay, 2-3 years. If you want to become a good developer, every day we will learn new thing. Every day we will learn new thing. Yesterday also I learned new thing in my office. That is so getting the data from Google Corporation. That is my laptop is office laptop is a Google laptop. They are using the Google data. So that is available in the Google Corporation. So I opened the Google Colab. So I am typing the syntaxes, it's getting the error. I tried on all the way, it's getting the error. I contact to manager. So he given the Google Corporation ID. And that is not a good manager. He should have been given first, right? He should have told me first, right? This is the ID, you need to use this ID. So like that, you'll get a new things. Don't worry that. Okay, Mega? This is everything we will train you. Very good. What is the second question? In a single application, do we know to import package? Yes. Suppose I'm opening here, ma. I'm opening this here. Suppose model development is there here. This is we are developing the model. So all the packages there. So first we need to import all the required packages. My students know which package is now, what is the use of that, everything know now, my students. So that is also you will learn. That is also you will learn. That we need to import in the starting only, everything. That we need to import in the starting. So that is the one question. And yes, if there is any function, it's called pip freeze. Ma. What is the command is called? Pip freeze. Pip freeze. That is the command. Pip freeze is the command. I will show that. That is called pip freeze. Pip freeze. Then it will give the all the package list of the all the packages. It will give the all the packages. Okay. Somewhere we are done random, right? Search for R. Search for R. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, R. Somewhere random is the regex is there. Scikit-learn is there. Seaborn is there. Like Numpy, Pandas. These are all our package names. These all are package names. That is a command. That is a command. Okay, that is the question. And next one is it's a system defined package that only whenever you install Anaconda, all the packages will come here and default it will stay here. Okay. Okay, we are good then. Now next now laptop is necessary. 100% laptop is necessary because I want to show you how to install the Python. Actually, this you want to practice in the laptop. But the better thing is by orally only you are understood. So you will remember more while you are practice, right? So that's the best thing. Okay, I'm happy for that. But laptop is necessary. When you will bring laptops? When you will bring laptops, stay. I will not fail such much long time. Tomorrow I need laptops. Everyone should come with laptops tomorrow, so that I need to show the installations and we'll start Python on the laptop works. If you don't have laptop, ask your friend. Okay, hit 2 punches or offer some biryani. Okay, what he likes, just offer some biryani or tea or cigarette, whatever it is, and bring your laptops. Your friend, ask your laptop. Laptop is very, very important, ma. Laptop is very, very important. First of all, tell me, those who are new, are you understood today class? How the packages, what is the meaning of packages, everything? Those who are new especially. Understood? Yeah, you don't panic. What you are missing the yesterday class. That's why I'm saying, don't need to panic about that. Okay? You can easily understand my training, ma. I can screech. I will teach the, అరటి పండు ఒలిచి నోట్లో పెడతానంటారు ఇష్టమా అట్లా కూడా కాదు దాన్ని పిప్పి పిప్పి వేసి స్ట్రా వేసి మీద పెడతాను నేను ఓకే స్ట్రా వేసి మీ నోట్లో పెట్టేస్తా ఓకేనా సో అది సో వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ ఈస్ ఇన్ హిందీ యూ కెన్ కన్వే టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఐ డోంట్ నో దట్ మచ్ హిందీ బట్ ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ ఈస్ laptop is necessary. Those who are having i3 laptop 4 GB RAM, that is a frequent question they are asking. We'll see about this. Okay, whether you want to increase the RAM or what, we will see that. But those who are newly buying, go for i5, 8 GB RAM, 64-bit processor, and Intel is enough, and SSD 1 terabyte, even 500 also is enough. Okay, I am using the same configuration from past 5 years. It is working very well. Okay, i5 8 GB 64-bit Intel SSD 1 terabyte. It is cost around for me 65,000 at the time. So it is working very well. But at least prefer i5. Okay, if you want to buy a new thing, prefer i5 only. Prefer minimum 8 GB is minimum and 64-bit is compulsory. And remaining thing your wish. Okay, but at least I require these 3 things: i5 8 GB 64-bit. Now all the softwares are minimum 64-bit is coming, ma. All the softwares. Now you want to install all the softwares, right? That is minimum 64-bit is coming. And 8 GB means is always used for 8 GB is better only, right? 8 GB is better. i5, you know how the fast is i5. Now i7 also coming, i5 is enough. i5 is enough. Now cost also in the Amazon deals and Flipkart deals are coming, right? By 40 plus you are getting 40k plus everything, this combination. Okay, try to buy the laptops, and this is the best time to buy the laptop. That is. And next thing is, yeah, I will take some questions. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask me. And try to please enroll as soon as possible. And tomorrow I bring the laptops. Tomorrow I will show the installation. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask me, ma. Any questions? First of all, everyone is clear about your road path? Still you are not clear your road path, talk to me. Okay, I will guide the right path. Right. Data science and AI is a very, very beautiful technology. In 10-15 years, so you don't need to look back. And don't run behind the tools. If you run behind the tools, after 5 years, again, you'll come to me, sir, teach data science. Okay, because Python will gone at the time like that, slowly. Tools will gone, ma. Okay, don't run behind the tools. Yes, ma, we will get the certification. Naresh IT will provide the certification. Naresh IT will provide course certification, as well as I will provide some more certification to do the certifications. Okay, I will also ask to do some more certifications, and that certification related to might be one is Python will be there, and machine learning will be there. Individual certifications might be deep learning will be there, and generative AI also I will do. That's the certification. Okay, and internships also will be there, ma. I will ask you, I will provide some internship companies. So recently, this is the virtual internships, right? Virtual internships. That is, I will provide 2-3 internships also. As many as you can do, that is better. That is, I will ask you to, and I will help you how to do that internship also. That is, it is free. What is free? You don't need to pay to anyone. Company need to pay to you. Okay, no, not you. And one of the two students very recently ongoing batch, they are getting that from Bangalore some internship offer they are getting for 20K per month. Okay, salary. And if they perform the good, they will convert. Okay, 2% they got recently. Okay, one is Arshavardhan Reddy and another one is the Biswajit Saho. 2 persons in the ongoing batch. They got the internship from Bangalore. I will show the paths. You need to apply that and you need to crack that. Okay, we have only that. We don't have any consultancy to offer the jobs. That is, keep it in mind. Okay, we will train you very well. We will build the resumes and we will show the path. And only you need to crack that interviews. Only you need to crack the. All the materials will be available, ma. All the materials will be available like this. Suppose you see here, every materials will be available. So Flask related, I told you, right? I will teach the Flask related data science important questions, ML Python, this completely ML Pythons, and PPTs will be available, textbooks will be available, assignments will be available, notes will be available. Everything is the 4 categories, ma. What we have done in the class notes, and second one is PPT, third one is the textbooks, and fourth one is the Python course, fifth one is the assignments. Where is the Python, where is the SQL, ML, DL, everything, these 5 will be available. What are that? First one is the class notes. Second one is the PPT. And third one is the ML, Python. Fourth one is the textbook. Fifth one is the assignments. Every material will be available with you. And this is a lifetime access. Whatever I'm showing is called lifetime access. Don't share to your friends. Okay, you paid, right? Don't pay to anyone. Don't do any charity thing. And our class also very simple, ma. What you are seeing is called is all the notes, ma. And is the class is very simple. Suppose I will show you that. Suppose this is called Navi bias algorithm. Okay, I will show you. Yeah. So I will write, ma. I will write, and you will also need to write in the notebook. You will also write in the notebook. I will not use the pad because you will miss the things. When I do the pad, what happen? I will go very fast like kind of board, right? So that's why what I will prefer only, I will write the thing only. And whatever the formula is there, everything, we will work on the small data set. Let's see here some small data set. So I will teach us like step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, everything I will teach. Okay, everything, case 1, case 2, everything will teach. And you will understand the theoretically and practically we will do on the code also. That's why my students love my training, because of I will make insist to them to write in the class. So now by 3 months, you will at least finish the 2 notebooks. Okay, 2 Bhagavad Gita, 2 Quran, 2 Bible, you will finish that. That is my teaching level. Everything will class in the write up. You will learn manually. You will understand what mathematics there behind that. We'll take on we'll take like this, ma. We'll take on 25, 30 observations data. Okay, small observation data we'll take. Small observation data, and we'll do manually. And we'll take the new data set like 1 lakh observation or 25,000 observation, and we'll do this on using Python. So theoretically you will learn, practically you will implement, so that you will remember the knowledge. Not only that, you have a paper presentations will be there, PPTs will be also will be there, and every Saturday. And this is the why I am initiating is because some people freshers are there, they are not good at communication. And this is the right time to improve your communication, because IT industry, you require English. You need to talk in English. Once you go in IT industry, everyone will talk in Hindi only. Okay. Everyone is talking only Hindi only. So those who are region people, they will talk in that only. Okay. But you need to know about English. So this is the right time. Those who are introvert people become as an extrovert now. Okay. Present the papers, as well as you need to write ups also, you need to do write up also. Like I will show you that. This is for new one, okay, because old people already know that. You need to submit your write-ups on the LinkedIn and the Medium article, ma. Suppose Gaurang is there. Gaurang is my student. Okay, he is doing that. Task one completed from data science internship. So he is doing this. Okay, so like that, Arish Babu. I will show you some of my students. Okay, I will just show you that. I will in the notifications I will get. So this is the same Gaurang, ma. Same Gaurang is implemented here. So there two people are explored him. One of mine and one of Dr. Suresh. He is created a tuple by using train. Okay, he's created a PPT like this. So what is the use of this means? You will get the immediate interview calls, ma. You will get the immediate interview call. They will like your analysis. So Biswajit Sahu, I told you, right? He got the internship very recently. That is, and I will show you that. See, so this is the girl. She is offering me a job. If you are interested, share me CV now. I am not enrolled. Okay, they look at your profile. Why they are looking your profile? Because you are writing something, you are uploading here, right? So that's why they are understanding something you learned. So that's why they will offer the job opportunities. Digital weightage is very, very important nowadays. Okay, that is the one thing. So like that you need to do, ma. So many people are my students are placed. So but only thing is you need to do. One is don't skip the class. Don't skip the class for next 4 months. For next 4 months. This is the first thing you need to do. And second thing is do the certifications. Do the certifications. And third thing is do the internships. Internships. And fourth one is the write up. Write up and post in the LinkedIn. Post on LinkedIn. And do the assignments. Do the assignments. Do the assignments. And sixth one is utilize the labs very much. Utilize the labs. Okay. It is not an easy task. 4 months is a rigorous work. Like, police constable, police jobs you'll go under training, right? This is also like that only. This is also like that only. I will spend as much as time. Even the class is every day 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. You can talk to me after 10:30 also. Anytime you can call me. You can call me, especially online people. You can call me at any time. You can ask me doubts. I will respond on the particular day. You can ask me here only offline people. I will respond that. If online people you want to connect with separately also, I will connect with Zoom meeting or Google Meet separately also. Okay, no worries about that. Only the thing is you should be get the jobs next 4 months. That is the only motto. And you need to be competitive with 3 years data science guy. Okay. One day I will call 3 years data science guy. We will both sit together and I will ask the questions. Who will say the answer? We will see that. Okay, like that we will do. And I will call my students also. Those who are from Bangalore, they will connect the online. They will motivate you. How they are getting the jobs. Even the civil background, BCom background, pharma background, whatever that. Even the teacher also. So we'll do that kind of lecturers also. So generally Saturday we'll take holidays, other trainers, but I will not take the holidays on Saturday also. I will come on Saturday also. You should also come the Saturday. Okay. These 4 months, I request you to do the work hard and get the job, settle in IT and help to your family and friends also. That is the only thing. Okay. Chalo, if you have any questions still, yeah, I will provide my number. If you have still any doubts, you can call me. 970-1962-333 is my number. Okay. And you already have admin number is there, right? Rajesh sir number is there. And this online admin ma. What is the Rajesh sir number? Can anyone tell? I will write here. Online admin, ma. This is online admin. And offline admin is the Rajesh sir. He is available here only. Morning 8 a.m. to evening 8 a.m. What is the number? You don't have number? I will give me 1 minute. Rajesh sir. 799 799 799 7808. Okay, take these numbers always. Sorry, take these numbers. Yeah. So those who don't have doubts, those are old students, you can leave, ma. Those who are new one today, you can stay. Yes, Sri Charan, .NET developer, so can be useful. Yes, definitely. So many experienced people are converting, ma. So many experienced people are converting. You don't need to worry. If you are new, please stay here. Thank you so much. Bring laptops today, sir, tomorrow. Those who are new, please stay here. Those who are new also, if you feel comfortable, you can leave. No, not a problem. Yeah, thank you. Yes, ma, become. In the become, you have a statistics is there, right? Sheikh, Riajuddin. Become, you have a statistics is there, right? Yes, then it is good. Not a problem. Data science you can pursue. Okay. Let's see the PPT. Yes, Sumant and Sandeep, you raise your hands. You want to talk with me? Paste your chat. If you are not able to paste your chat, you can call to my mobile number. Sumant and Sandeep, you raise your hands. Science and AI. Arey, Python is very easy, bhai. Abhishek. Python is very easy. It's not Java is tough. Python is very easy. Now, just now I showed you, right? Python is very easy. So anyone can learn Python. Yesterday you attended my workshop also, I hope. That is Python is very easy. That is. So if you want to add some two numbers in C or Java, it will take minimum 8 lines. Agree with me? Anyone know C here? C language? Tell me what you will write. Hash include stdio.h void main something void main Then you will do curly braces. Int A is equal to 30. Int B is equal to 50. And then scanf. And then you will do printf. And finally, you will write add the return value. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines are there, right? But in Python, you can give A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 30. A plus B is equal to 50. See how that much is easy? Python is very easy. Not at all doubt. Not at all. In fact, Python is the easiest language till now they invented. Okay. Python is the easiest language. See, there are no curly braces and no, there is no data type, integer type, nothing. There is no semicolon, nothing. Everything you will take care of. That is, Python is very easy. Someone to suggest to take MBA or MCA after become for job. Always higher studies is enough. No good. Always higher studies enough. Okay. For to get job to take higher studies, that is not the recommended. Okay. Even the BCom people also is getting the job. BCom persons also getting the job, but never leave the studies. Even you get the job also, you do the MCA or MBA. Okay. Never leave the studies because nowadays degree is not enough. Minimum PG is required nowadays. That is, and people are doing double MTech, double PGs are they are doing. So once you are getting the job also, study it. Okay. There are so many courses are offering for working professionals in the weekends. Learn it and do it. So let's see the data science course, ma. So first of all, tell me what is your understanding of this picture? What is the understanding of this picture? Tell me. Updation. So we are updated with human evaluation theory. And next we are creating a one more guy that is called robotic. Okay. Now the everywhere you go, that is a robotic technology is there everywhere. So Alexa is a robo, Siri is a robo, everything now it's a robo is serving now in the restaurants that we have seen. And robo is reading the news also. That is recently came the news, right? That is everywhere robotic technology is coming. So thank God like that we are in this generation. So our kids will not take care of us is also fine. We can buy one robo. When I got 70 years, the robo will take care of me. Everything, no need to worry. That is the things are coming. That is the robotic technology. And next thing is this ma. What is this your understanding from this? Updation, right? So now this guy is saying that I'm a .NET developer. Yeah, definitely you need to update because .NET will gone. You are saying Java. Definitely you need to update. Java will gone. Now ChatGPT is doing everything now. ChatGPT is doing Python code. Now let's see here ChatGPT. Now if I go to the ChatGPT. So if I writing some code, okay, what code I'm writing? Write a Python program. Write a Python program. To print first 10 numbers. Now to give the answer. That's it. Now ChatGPT is giving the answer. Definitely we need to update it. For I in range of 10, print of 5, these 10 numbers are coming. You are a .NET developer, where is Java, what is the current technology is going that you need to update here. Again, you need to understand here the difference between tools and technologies. That is, I want to very much interested to teach my students, the upcoming generation. You need to have a clear idea about the tools and generation technologies. Tools and technologies. Python is a tool, ma. Python is a tool. .NET is a tool. .NET is a tool. SQL is a tool. SQL is a tool. These are the tools. Java is a tool. Is a programming language. Is a tool. So your tools will gone every 2-3 years. Tools will gone every When we are college days, what is the famous thing? C language. After that C++. After that Java. Now Python. Tomorrow Go language, Ruby language. People will create the new language based on the flexibilities, right? So that the tools will keep on change. Tomorrow you learn Java language. Now after tool will change. Now you are going to Python language. That is a bad. That is a bad thing the students are doing. Whatever the language, you need to learn such a way that in tomorrow a new language will come. You need to explore yourself. Like that, just now we explored the packages. You didn't code. You updated math, import math you have done. Math dot sign you have done. That is like that. Tomorrow also you will update you will learn about packages. In the keywords also you are observing. Oh, it is a green color, is a keyword. It's a red color, space is not allowing. Like that, you need to learn the coding language. So I will teach my students. Tomorrow a new language will come. You will explore yourself only. You will not go to any other training institute. If you come also, I will not teach you. Okay. That is. That like that only I will teach you. So because tools will keep on change. Now, what is the technologies? What are the technologies? What are the technologies? Tell me. One technology is called data science. One technology is what? Data science and AI. Can you name it other technologies? Any technologies? Tell me the technologies. Machine learning will come here only. Just now we learned in the morning. That's why people will bluff you. Data science is different. Machine learning is different. Everything is same. Cloud computing. One is there. Cloud computing. Tell me still. This is a smartwatch. It will take that pulse rate, everything. What is the technology? IoT. What is the technology? IoT. What is the technology, ma? IoT. Internet of Things. IoT. What is the Bitcoin? What is the Bitcoin? What is Ethereum? Cryptocurrency. What is the technology? Blockchain. What is the technology? Blockchain. These are the technologies. Augmented reality, virtual reality. Augmented reality, virtual reality. You know, if you want to drink a wine with your friend, okay, you can call me and he can sit here and you can both drink in future. You can't touch him, but you can talk and you can chit chat, you can take a peg like that. So that is called augmented reality, virtual reality. Now we are talking with our mama and papa with WhatsApp, right? Now you can call papa, papa will come and sit here and you will see whatever you are doing. Okay. So that is called augmented reality, virtual reality. And these are the technologies, ma. These are the technologies. Robots and cobots. Robots and cobots. Robotic technology. Now still robotic, people are trying to invent the robots, right? Now you see here, this phase does not exist. Now if you see this lady, this girl, this actually she is not existed in the world. But she look like existing, right? Now if I refresh, think one more image will come. This guy also not existed. Okay, this are randomly generated pics. Now here also one more guy will come. If we refresh it, let's see. Taking so much time. Yeah, see this kid is so beautiful, and she's not there in the world. She's not there in the world. So now tomorrow Mona Lisa can dance. Mona Lisa can talk. Okay. My grandfather also can talk tomorrow. Okay. That will you will see this kind of all these things in the future. This is because of what? Yay, artificial intelligence. Because of AI only. Artificial intelligence. Now you'll see now they are blinking now. Now Mahatma Gandhi. Now in the elections will come, right? Now Mahatma Gandhi will come and they will do that campaign also in the next 10 years. Okay, he will come and he will do campaign also. Mahatma Gandhi. Like that it will do. These all are kind of GAN technologies in the this kind of technologies will come. So that's why what I'm saying is called technology. Technology is a different. Technology is like kind of a physics, like kind of a chemistry. There's a subject. You need to learn the subject. You need to learn the subject. Tools is different. The Python is used to implement the data science. Python is used to implement the data science. Now Java also used to implement. JavaScript also used to implement, because Python has the flexibility that we are preferring so much. That we are preferring so much. You remember, I think some people will remember SPSS. Some people will know R. This also can use to analysis. Now we are not using this. So tools are different. Technology is different. Tools are different and technology is different. Suppose if you want to implement a self-driving car, understood? You want to implement a self-driving car. What do you want to implement? Self-driving car. What they will do in what is self-driving car? What is self-driving car? Without human being, the car will draw. The Tesla people, Elon Musk is trying to implement, right? That is automatic gears are coming now. That is called self-driving car. They will arrange some cameras actually. They will arrange some cameras. They will arrange some cameras, and camera will capture the data. Camera will capture the data. Capture the data. And this data will store somewhere. This data will store somewhere. Store somewhere. And now based on the data, it will understand he is a human being is there. Here it is a chair is there. I want to go to left turn. I want to go to right turn. Like that, based on that data, it will understand. Now, there are some technologies will involve here. If you want to capture the data, what is the technology called? If you want to capture the data, capturing data, capture the data. What is the technology? Tell me. What is the technology? Capturing data. What is the technology? It capturing the pulse, right? What is the capturing the data? Through sensors. Through sensors. What is the technology? Capture the data through sensors. Through sensors. What is the technology, ma? IoT. Huge data will come. Per 1 minute, so much data will come. Per 1 day, big data. You are using WhatsApp, you are using Twitter, Instagram, Wikipedia, you are entering something. Hospital data is there, travel data is there, your voter data is there, other data is there. Where you will store all these things? You can you save in the laptop? Cloud, right? So what is the technology? Huge data is there, huge data. So will required cloud. Will required cloud. What is the technology? Cloud computing. What is the technology? Cloud computing. Now data is there. Now you want to understand that data. You want to say to the car, okay, go to normal direction, go to left turn, go to right turn. There is a human being is there. There's a light is there. There's a road is block is there. Who will say all these things? Who will understand the data and guide? Data science. Who will do that? Data science will come to here. He will understand the data. He will guide the company. He will guide you. So who will come here? Data science will come. And next, so much data is there. You want to secure the data? And who will the security? What is the data? Cyber security. So these are the four brothers, ma. If you want to implement self-driving cars, how many technologies are involved? See, IoT is there, cloud computing is there, data science is there, and cyber security is there. That's why we are privileged here. We are learning the data science is a very, very beautiful technology in the future. Why we are learning the data technology? Tell me. I will say the very frank, no. Data science is a very buzzword, first of all. Okay. Now our friends and family, everyone is saying data science, AI, data science, AI, data science, AI. That's why people are coming to learn. Why people are not saying other things? AI technologies are there, no? AI technologies are there, no? Why people are not saying other things? Because there is no trainers are available. There is no trainers, there is no professors, there is no textbooks, nothing is there. Just the research is going. What is going, ma? Research. In 2008 only, Canada, Ottawa University having 4 years course of data science. How many years? Now 2023, still how many engineering colleges are opting this? How many engineering colleges? You can count it, na? Only autonomous universities only are offering. 2023 year, 2008 is where? Understand? That the lack of skills of professors are there, trainers are there. I paid 5 lakhs like 7 years back to learn data science, 5 lakhs in IIT. Okay. Because that's why we are very good opportunity. In the future, so many projects will come. In the future, what happen? So many projects will come. That's why now every college will include data science. So many students will come. How the computer science stream, how the electronic stream. Now there's one more stream is what? Data science stream is there. Now one more stream is there. Data science. That is a very, very beautiful opportunity. That's why those who are experienced people and everyone wants to convert. Those who are experienced people and everyone want is experience and freshers. Every people, every stream is required data science, every field. Suppose let's see, there is a travel industry is there. Travel industry is there. Now you want to forecast, you want to forecast the people traveling scenario on the weekends. On the weekends. And you want to forecast the fare also, price, fare, how much fare, flight fare. If you go today, 5,000 rupees. If you like after 2 months, 3,000 rupees. You might have seen, right? In the Gobi IBO there. How they are predicting? Who is required there? Data science is required. Who is required? Data science is required. Now e-commerce is there. E-commerce, Amazon website is there. Now they are doing the recommendation engine. Recommendation engine. Your friend is buying this, you also buy this. That's the recommendation, movie reviews. Who will here required here? Data science only required. So every stream is data science. Finance is there. Okay, I want to forecast. I want to predict the stock market, stock price of ICICI Bank. Who will predict? Data science only. That is also data science only. If you post the review, if you post the review, I want to know that review is a positive review or negative review. Positive or negative. Who will tell this? Data science only. So if you want to object detection, face detection, who will come? Data science only. Everywhere data science, ma. That's why data science is required every field, ma. Data science is required every field. Now you see the data science. Travel industry, healthcare industry. After COVID, what happened? Telemedicine came. You enter the detail, chatbot will say that, what do you want? Dolo 650, take it, gone, like that. Now telemedicine is coming, no? Now, you know that psychiatric also, like psychiatry also, in your childhood, what happened? You will get a messages, right? Hey, if you want to talk with Anita, please call 9 rupees per minute. Have you seen these messages? Now, there is a chatbot will come. Now you can talk with loneliness. If you are lonely, then go and talk with chatbot. That also will come. Everywhere is the AI is implementing everywhere. There now with now artificial wombs are they are creating. Artificial children's recently the news came now. Artificial wombs. Now everyone go to IVF, IUI, artificial wombs only. Now the trend is coming. No, in the Japan, they are not good opinion on the marriages. They don't want marriage, but they want children. That is the scenario. Next 10 years, this only will happen. Your kids will say that, Daddy, I don't want marriage, I want children. Then where you will go? Like that only. Artificial wombs will come. Everything AI will happen. AI will change our life at all. So now that's why people will afraid about that. AI will remove the jobs. Yes, AI will definitely remove the jobs, but AI is creating new jobs. No, AI will remove the jobs. Those who are testing is there. AI will remove the tester jobs. Whatever you can automate it, that jobs will gone. Ma. Content writers is there. Now content writers also will gone. Judges also will gone. Ma. Okay, you will see government will implement AI judges to quick solution because so many cases are pending are there. Now what happened? They will train with the past data. Then AI will understand the patterns. If a new case will come, then how much time it will take for AI? That is the data science, right? Understand the past data, predict the future. Understand the past data, predict the future. That's why every company is now data science is required. So that's why I can say data science is a modern astrologist. He'll predict your future. But how he is predicting? With a strong evidence. With a strong evidence. That evidence with math numbers. That evidence with what? Math numbers. Math speaks more than words. Agree with me? If I say India is a growing country, will you believe? No. But if I say in 2010 India revenue is 5 billion, in 2020 India revenue is 10 billion, definitely you will believe. Math speaks more. That's why these algorithms, what happen? A simple mathematics based algorithm. These all. A simple math. That is also we will teach. What is the mathematics required? When I say mathematics, Dharmat, okay, that is very simple math. All 10th class maths, ma. That is very 10th class maths. So whatever, if you forget also, no worries. We are here. I here to train you. I here to train you. So first of all, understand the visibility of data science. Visibility of data science. And we'll do such a good projects, ma. We will do such a good project. Let's see. Suppose one project we will see here. Very good projects we will see. Complete AI projects. Other trainers will teach ML projects, but I will teach always AI projects, very interest. Let's see some articles. So this is one article. So this is actually what you are understand from this video. Tell me. What you are understanding? Yeah, net data also. Data wrangling also we will do, ma. Tell me, what is this meaning? It understanding what? Each and every object, correct? It understanding car. It is identifying person, identifying pole. It is called video annotation. It is called what? Video annotation. This kind of projects we will do. This kind of projects we will do. Suppose if I want to do face detection, I can open the face detection also. Let's see, open this. DL and Python codes, face detection app. We'll do the face detection also. Let's see here. Let's see video detection. I'll capture the video. Oh, what